In this tutorial, we'll set up custom columns and statuses in WannaTrack, and I'll show you why it's worth 5 minutes of your time. Here's the problem. Most boards come with a fixed set of lanes, and your team quietly bends its process to fit them. Work sits in the wrong place, blocked tickets hide inside "in progress", and stand-ups start with "where is that ticket actually at?" When your board mirrors your real workflow, none of that happens. Every stage is visible, bottlenecks show up immediately, and nobody has to ask. The key idea in WannaTrack is simple. Every ticket has a status, and every board column maps to one or more of those statuses. Statuses describe the work, and columns decide where that work shows up on the board. A new project starts with 4 defaults: to do, in progress, in review, and done. Suppose your team has a QA step, and you want blocked work to be impossible to miss. Open your project, head to Settings, and choose the Statuses tab. Click Add Status, name it QA Review, pick a colour, and save. While we're here, let's add a blocked status too, in red so it stands out everywhere it appears. Notice the Show on Board toggle. A status can live in the ticket drop-down without taking up space on the board, which keeps rare states from cluttering your columns. Now switch to the Board Columns tab. Click Add Column, call it QA, give it a colour, and map it to the QA Review status. A column can also map to more than one status, so a single Done column can collect both finished work and tickets you've decided not to fix. Back on the board, the QA column is already live, wearing its colour in the header. Drag a ticket into it, and WannaTrack updates the ticket's status automatically, so the board and the data never drift apart. It works the other way too. Change the status from the ticket page, and the card moves to the right column on its own. This is where the payoff compounds. Every card shows how long it's been sitting in its current status, so a ticket stuck in QA for 5 days is visible from across the room. Your reports get sharper too, because the status breakdown now reflects the stages your team actually goes through, not a generic template. One last tip. If you brought your project across from Jira, the Sync from Tickets button creates statuses for anything your tickets already use, so nothing gets lost in the move. And that's the whole idea. Statuses for the way your team works, columns for the way you want to see it, and a board that tells the truth at a glance. Try it yourself on the live demo at wannatrack.com, and I'll see you in the next one.